Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is at the hospital. This is another intro I'm going to do for this part of the video because I did a long video and I split it in half. First part being that Shelly's in the hospital. If you want to know what happened, look at that video, but it's out right now. And this part is going to be the unboxing I just got from 2 packages. That's why the time's off, because I did that video, edited it, sent it out, took a nap. Now it's time to do this intro. So it's 1912, and I'm not sure what the other time was, but it was definitely earlier. So this intro is just for that, for the 2 packages I got from the QiYi.com.
Welcome to part 2 of this video.
So without further ado, I got 2 packages in. So I wasn't going to do a video, but we got 2 packages in from
QiYi.com.
card from
QiYi.com.
I keep those unless they're bent. And this is what I got. The FTO from QiYi Toys. I believe, yep, QiYi Toys. And it's the tile version magnetic. The QiYi Magnetic FTO tile black. And it was $21.99. The one that's not magnetic, I think, is $14.99. And I got 3 of them. The reason why I got 3 of them is I'm trying to learn the FTO, and a lot of the tutorials out there I'm not vibing with. I can't understand them, and so I'm trying to make some training cubes to help me. Now this training cube is the exact same one. It is an FTO, and it's tiled and magnetic, and I lubed it, so it turns really nicely. And so what this training cube is all white, and it has all the edges. Well, it's all white, and the white has all the edges have that second color on it, and I have all the tips. I call them the tips. So all the tips are there, all the white, and all the 3 edges. That's all I had. It doesn't have anything else. I'm trying to make my own training cubes, FTOs, and so I got these. So this one I might make, and I'm just guessing right now. I might make this all the 3 edges and the 3 triangles only. Take out all the tips, and the colors that are going to be touching the white when you turn it, because only 3. How am I going to say this? There's 3 other colors that would be on the same face with white, and the same for red. Only 3. Not all 8 land on this white face. So I have it written down. I know which. I'm trying to learn them. So what I'm going to do is make the edges and the triangles, and then whatever other 3 ones that are touching, just do those. The other ones I'm just going to black out and try to learn from that. Or when I'm trying to do a tutorial, if it teaches me something different, then I'll learn that too. I try to do that one. So I'm trying to make training cubes. I don't know if it's going to help. I'm not sure. I didn't make a video, but so I'm still trying to solve this one. So I'm not even at that. So one step at a time. I got 3 of them, so I can make 3 training cubes. And if for some reason I never make, I'm going to probably do 1 more training cube. But if I don't need any more training cubes, then I'll just keep these for practice FTOs. I like the packaging on these. I really do. I like I don't know if it's a new packaging they're trying to do, but I like the plastic and then the see-through. I like that. They have a lot of their puzzles like this. And if you want, you can use these as display boxes for your FTO, if you want. I think that was the idea, maybe. So just having a box that you throw away or keep, you can actually use this one. You can see it better like that. Okay. So if you take it out and you want to display it instead of just throwing it on the shelf, you can do that. And then close it back up. the nice and warm, because it's hot out. Ooh, I like the color on the QiYi toys. I really do. And that's the logo right there. And I like the tile. I really do. And it's smooth right out of the box. It really is. I'm not sure if I did a unboxing for the other one. My first one I got. And you can't see where the magnets are, but they're there. And it's semi-quiet. And I don't catch. Yeah, there you go. I pretty much, I like this puzzle. The tile ones I like a lot. So, and like I said, I like the packaging too. So, all right, so I'm going to put that back in. It does come with some directions, and I think one side's Chinese, the other side's English, but I could be wrong. I don't know when to pick it out. So yeah, put it in there. Good. I'm good to go. And by the way, what I did to blacken these out, that's why I got the tile ones, is I got, let's see what it's called. I got some oil-based paint markers, because I try to use permanent, and it did good, but it comes off when you're turning it. So my hands were all black, and I was making the other tiles black. They were easily cleaned off, but so oil-based marker. Now when you put it on, it's going to be wet, and it takes a while for it to dry. So just do like 2 or 3 sides, and then put it, and then the next day do the other couple of sides. So you won't get all that oil-based paint on your fingers. So that's what I got. I got this on Amazon, and I got it in a box that has 4 of these, and it has a jumbo one. That's too big. I mean, you can use that for poster boards, I guess. So I keep one out to tell me which one I've been using, and it has one of those things in there so you can shake it. Make sure you shake it before you use it, and make your own training cubes with that. Now, if you want to spend $21.99, you can always use a $14.99 one. I think it's $14.99. Let me see. $14.99, and that's the standard tile, and the magnetic tile is $21.99. You got, I think that's the cheapest one. Oh no, the Land. You could buy the Land one, and they're cheaper, but you know they turn horribly. So that's why I didn't want to get those. And I have a few Lands. Plus, those are stickers, so you can just take the stickers off. So you don't have to do the marker thing on it. The Land is $13.99. I just think that's extremely expensive for that cube. I think it should be cheaper. And so I really get the tile ones, and that turns pretty decent. So there you have it. Alright, enough of that. Let's see what's in this box. My Tours for Tot cubes. MFJS 3C or something like that. MFJS Meilong 3C 3x3. So I got plenty of videos on that. But what I'm doing is, I got 4 of them. Okay, good. No, I got 5. Every time I buy something that's close to 60 and I need maybe $10 more or whatever, I buy a few of these just to get over that 60 mark, and that saves on shipping it. Because I'm going to get these anyway. I want to get 100 of them for Tours for Tots for Christmas time, and I think I have 30. Now I have 35, 36, 37, something like that. And you know, I'm almost there. So, but when I get to close to 60, if I buy 2 of these, that might take me over 60. Or this time I had 5, so I bought 5 of them. So, just to get me over that 60, and I get free shipping, which means 1 of these are free, maybe 2, depending on the, or 1.5 are free. So the next thing I got is the Moyo Aolong V5 3x3 20 magnet ball core Meglev UV. So I think it's the most expensive one they got. It just came out. And that's how the box looks. It was on back order. Thumbnail. And that's how the box opens up. I like these little things here, and then you can just grab them. Some boxes don't have it, you have to like, it's crazy. Nice box, I like it. I always keep those boxes. And there goes Moyu, Mr. Moyu himself. I'm not sure what his name is. Let's get the accessory box out first. Accessory box. This box is packaged just like the Core, which I think is the same company. I think that makes sense. All right, what goes in there is the battle axe to change the settings on it. It tells you how to, gives you a little pamphlet on how to adjust the settings. I'm not going to get into that, but there you have it. I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to get into it because I'm not really an expert. Usually when I leave it the way it comes out of the box. And this is a pamphlet on how to solve a 3x3. Very in-depth. It's not too small too. Is that in English? Let me see. Yep, they have one side in Chinese, one side in English. Good, thank you. I appreciate that. That's how it looks with black bottom. Kind of like that. Same cassette as the Core, but I think the Core happens to be white. Ooh, first of all, that is pretty. Let's see. Little, factory type of dust. Get that on. Yeah, this is nice. It's very light. Look at the vibrant colors on it. I'm going to compare it to the Core. I don't think the magnet is as strong as the Core, but I think the Core, the Cubicle and Cubed actually made the magnets a little bit stronger because that's what they wanted. I don't see magnets on this. Ew. Okay, I'm starting to change my... It looks cheap. Seriously, it does. Sorry. It looks cheap. I mean, it's just white. It's nothing fancy about it. It's white internals. And, yeah, it's nothing fancy. I like it, I do, but I'm also spoiled by having this Swift Block, which was altered by the Cubicle Pro Shop. This is the one that's 50-something, and it has a little weight to it, which I like, and it just feels more. It has, black and it has a mixture of black on the top, and the middle ones are the split color, which I like. It's nice. I like that one. This one feels like a good cheap knockoff of an expensive one. I mean, don't use this video to either buy or not buy this. Go to another video, look at the experts, see what they say.
Yeah, find another video better than this. This video sucks.
There's something that's similar to this. I don't know. No, it's not good. Let's see if I can find it. This is what reminds me of. And this is really, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's a budget cube, but it's really nice. It's UV. I would have to look to see what the name is. I don't know, but for being a budget cube, I really like this one. Yeah, I really like that one. This one, yeah. I think I just have to get used to it. I don't know, I can't get over the feel of it, how cheap it is. Let me see what the internals look like. Yeah, Moyu's typical. I don't think it changed. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I think it's typical adjustment. Nothing fancy. I don't know. This feels cheap. And it's loose, as you can see. which is okay. You can adjust it, but I like it. Let me feel that one again. Yeah, I like this one better. It's a little more noisier, but now I got this one too, and I forget. This is from QiYi Toys. You see it? I love this one. Yeah, I love this one. It feels good. It's doesn't feel too cheap. Plastic. I'm talking about the plastic. You know what? It's not wowing me. It's nice. How much did I pay for this sucker? Let me see. All right, it cost me $53.99 for this. And no, let's compare it to a furry core. Furry Koa and my cube socks. Now, if you're wondering what a cube sock is, it's just something to protect my cubes when they're in my bag. That's all it is. Keep it from getting scratched. Keeps it nice and warm. You know. You don't get anything in between. You know, and it protects it a little bit. And the top's open, so you can tell which one it is. Yeah, Furry Core is much better. I love this thing, and I think the magnets are pretty strong. You can actually see the magnets on this one. You can't see the magnets, but there are magnets on there. You can tell. Yeah, if you like the magnets light, this is going to be good for you. It's definitely not going to be my main. I am going to practice with it, so I won't waste my money. And but I'll definitely be using my Furry Core and some of these other ones before I actually use that one. The cube socks, in case you didn't know, they also fit mega mixes, but it fits there. And if this one was solid, they would have the logo on the top, just like this one. Protects it from crumbs or whatever that might be in your bag, and you can still see what the logo is. Sorry, my battery's broken. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
There's another round, another scramble, another opportunity. I'll tip my hat to the delegate and smile when I see that line. The NF did not finish, but I'm gonna finish next time.